Hey yogis, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know that there is a new cover available for my Yin Yoga book. So for those of you who don't know, in December 2017, my Yin Yoga Stretch the Mindful Way book was published by DK Books. And if you were in Canada and in the US, there was a different cover for this book, whereas this one was only available in the UK and over in Europe. This has been changed, and now the only cover that you'll be able to get your hands on is this one right here. And I think this is good news for most of you because I heard that a lot of you were not happy with the previous cover. So I'm just really excited and happy to be able to tell you that this is the one that is available worldwide now. I want to thank those of you who have gone out and purchased this book and left a review on Amazon and on whatever store you ended up getting it from. It has made such a difference, and being able to read the reviews that you guys have left has just made me so happy and so proud, because believe me guys, I worked on this book for so long. It is by far the hardest thing I've ever done. It challenged me in so many ways, but the result is really a work of art that I can truly be proud of and thankful for. And the fact that it's helped so many of you start and maintain a regular Yin Yoga practice makes me so happy. If this is the first time you've heard about this little book here that I've written, I want to show you what it is. So Yin Yoga is a beautiful illustrated guide to your Yin Yoga practice. The first chapter taps into the philosophy and the practice of Yin Yoga. So we go over a little bit on the breathing exercises, how you can practice Yin, what the chakras and the meridians are. And then we have 50 asanas with a step-by-step guide on how you can get into those poses safely and effectively at home. And then chapter 3, the end of the book, ends with 20 full-length sequences you can do at home. The sequences go from 30 minutes all the way to 90 minutes. So there's a lot of variety in there for lots of different levels. If you would like to get your hands on this book, the link to that is down below in the description box. Again, I'm just so happy and so proud of this book. And if you do happen to get your hands on it, please do consider leaving a review on Amazon. It makes a big difference, and it helps to support, small-time authors like me, first-time authors like me. This book is available all over the world in pretty much all major retailers. So Barnes & Nobles or Chapters, Walmart, honestly, it's everywhere. And you should now be able to find it with this newly released book cover. I hope that you enjoyed this book, for those of you who have it, and it makes a great gift if you're not sure what to give the yogi in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and I hope to practice again with you soon. Thanks guys.